In this video, we'll hear from Tasha Keeney, a well-known finance expert at Cathie Woodson T and investment analyst at Cathie's fund ARK Invest. She will talk about Tesla's huge growth and innovation potential by drawing on her extensive knowledge of new technologies such as robotics and self-driving cars. Keeney is a rising star in the business world and a popular speaker at events and workshops. Automakers like Ford should be worried about the falling popularity of gas-powered cars, the fact that they don't have a good self-driving answer, and the fact that the market isn't charging enough for cars. Tesla and the Thread are a threat to traditional cars. This video talks about two big events that could quadruple Tesla stock. It also talks about how Tesla insurance could change the traditional insurance market and make cars safer thanks to Tesla's unique place in the market and its high demand. Keeney thinks that the company still has a lot of room for growth and innovation, which makes it an exciting investment opportunity for the future. So stay tuned and keep watching as we get deeper into this topic. But first, hit that like and subscribe button. Well-known analysts have given us their thoughts on Tesla. In this video, Tasha Keeney, an investment analyst at ARK Invest Bikini, will share her thoughts on the subject. Keeney is a rising star in the finance industry, known for her deep knowledge and insightful analysis of emerging technologies. Because of her research and expertise, Keeney has become well-known in the field and is often asked to share her thoughts on financial news networks and in publications like Forbes and the Wall Street Journal. She is also in high demand as a speaker at conferences and events where she shares her knowledge and leads thought-provoking conversations about the newest developments in technology. As the world changes and new technologies come out, Tasha Keeney is known as a thought leader in the finance industry, especially when it comes to disruptive technologies and how they might affect investment opportunities. Keeney will continue to be at the forefront of this exciting and quickly changing field. As she said again, it sounds like electric cars are here to stay in the long term. If I were Ford or any other traditional automaker, I would be very worried about this because most of their cars are gas-powered and sales of those cars are going down. Plus, they don't have a good solution for self-driving cars. She also talked about the two big events that could quadruple Tesla stock soon. But first, I want to talk about some recent Tesla announcements that could have an impact on the company next week, even though Tesla's most recent earnings report showed that demand is higher than ever and production is 2 times faster than supply. For the first time since 1924, Texas will not make a lot of cars. Now, I'll talk about my first catalyst for 2023. Tesla could deliver up to 2 million cars that year, which would be great for the company's insurance business, which is growing at a rate of 20 per quarter. This new car could be the $25,000 Tesla we've all been waiting for. Let me know in the comments if you thought we'd see a cheaper Tesla on March 1st, or if you think Elon had something else in mind. Also, Tesla insurance is something that should be mentioned, but many people still don't, because anyone who knows about it knows how important it is. Warren Buffett is well aware that he built his fortune on the insurance business many years ago. The U.S. automotive insurance market is now worth around $300 billion. At the moment, Tesla insurance is only offered in a few states. By the end of 2023, the company wants to offer insurance in 45 states. Tesla Insurance is a game-changing service from the electric car company that aims to give affordable and customized coverage to Tesla users. By collecting data from vehicles, Tesla can offer rates that are specific to the habits and patterns of each driver. The autopilot system from the company is an important part of the insurance program that uses advanced driver assistance features to help drivers stay safe on the road and lower the risk of crashes. When they talked to Yahoo Finance, Tasha Keeney talked about how she thinks Tesla insurance could be a big source of income for the company in a market that is huge and growing. Keeney thinks that Tesla has a unique advantage because it can collect and analyze data from its vehicles. This data gives Tesla useful information about how people drive and what they do while they're driving, letting Tesla give more customized coverage and create new products that meet the needs of its customers. Furthermore, Keeney said that Tesla insurance can be used to make Tesla cars safer by looking at information gathered from the insurance program. Tesla is able to find ways to make its cars and autopilot system better. This can make driving safer and more efficient for Tesla users, which is important for the long-term success of the company. Generally, the interesting things Tasha Keeney said about Tesla insurance show how important the program could be as a way to make money and make cars safer as Tesla continues to offer more insurance plans and gather more data from its cars. The company is well positioned to disrupt the traditional insurance market and offer more personalized and effective coverage to its customers. It'll be extremely difficult to compete with Tesla because of its unique positioning to take a significant market share of that it's crucial to keep in. Find that one of my favorite investment techniques is to just dollar cost average into Tesla, and if the price declines by 5 or 10%, I'll continue to buy additional shares before I go through the most recent. developments that you might have missed. This is because Tesla, in my opinion, still has a ton of room for development and innovation. We still have stunning news demand is still strong. Despite what you've heard or read from Tesla or the media, many doubters thought Tesla's reputation would suffer if Elon became Twitter CEO, but after hearing what Elon had to say, doubters should be more at ease than ever demand has been. The most often asked question by investors, according to Elon, I want to lay that word by stating that we have had the strongest orders year to date so far in January than ever before. I'm happy that we can continue to produce cars that are cheap for as many people as possible, because that has always been our goal at Tesla. I believe that a sizable number of people desire to purchase a Tesla vehicle but are unable to do so, making this price changes significant for the typical consumer. I think Tesla will keep breaking sales records. Despite the decline on the auto sector, all things considered, we're also making really good progress on cost control, and we're seeing the cost of production in Berlin and Austin decline proportionally to the production boom. If you don't believe me, just listen to this. Hence, despite everything, Tesla will continue to set records. However, while it may sound completely irrational to predict that the same Tesla might double in value within the next 12 months, please bear with me, since I still plan to gradually buy Tesla stock whenever I can not to. Mention that Cathie Wood has repeatedly purchased the dip. Despite having a ludicrous price target for Tesla for the next 5 to 10 years, Tesla must boost earnings while cutting production costs if it's to achieve its ambitious price targets. It seems like the company is on the right track to reach both of its goals. I also think that many traditional automakers are trying to pass Tesla because they were unsure about its ability to sell cars. Tasha talked about Tesla's opportunities and latest news. They believe that traditional automakers are in danger because they mostly sell gas-powered cars and that electric cars are the way of the future. The growth of Tesla's insurance company and the release of a new, reasonably priced $25,000 Tesla are two events that could cause the stock price to double, with plans to reach 45 states by the end of 2023.
According to estimates, Tesla Insurance could give the company a big piece of the $300 billion US auto insurance market. She supports dollar-cost averaging into Tesla shares because they still see room for growth and innovation. She also points out that Elon Musk has reported strong order numbers so far in January, even though there are some worries about demand.
Tasha believes that Tesla will continue to set new sales records and that the company is on the right track to make more money and cut costs. That's all for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Wall Street Games and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.